Hey guys, so I wanted to jump on really quick and show you a Lipsense lip color that is perfect for the holiday season, Christmas and the holiday season. So I am going to be using Bella Lipsense with Cappuccino Lipsense, and I have never used these colors together, so this is like my first impression. And I did my eyes a little bit like wonky today, but I kind of like it, so I thought these colors would go like match. But if you wear neutral colors like earthy tones, this would go perfect too. So yeah, so I'm just kind of like winging it. So if you've never used Lipsense, Lipsense is a lip color that one of these tubes is equal to 4 lipsticks. So it's a lip color, liquid lip color that dries, goes on 3 coats, the 3 thin layers, and then once you put the 3 thin layers on then you seal it with a glossy gloss. It's kissProof, smudge proof. It lasts up from 4 to 18 hours, so it can last you all day. First of all, before I started this video, I wiped it off with a makeup remover, but you can just use a wet towel. But and you want to pat it dry. Can you talk right? So during the application, when I'm going to be layering it, you can actually mix colors together and layer it to make your own lip color. So, or you could just use them separate too. So I don't think, yes, maybe once I've used Bella on camera. So I just want to say from Tuesday's video, I am so shocked. Like, that video, like, got so many views in one day. Like, I am, like, so like, mind blown from it. So thank you very much, and if you haven't seen it, hop on over to my channel. I will try to link it down below, but also each of these Lipsense are on the link that I'm going to be posting down below in the description box. If you've never used Lipsense, so there is a starter kit. So you pick one of these, it's $25, and then the glossy gloss is $20. So a starter kit, this is a starter kit, and you pay $55. You have to have the glossy gloss, but if you already have the glossy gloss and you just want a Lipsense color, it's $25. So and by you clicking on that link and shopping, it actually helps me out big time. So, and no joke, like, this is long lasting. You don't have to keep reapplying it after you eat, drink, whatever. It's going to last like from 4 to 18 hours. So I think I'm gonna do Bella 2 coats of it, and then the last coat cappuccino. So you want to shake it up really good, and the clicking noise is a ball inside that when you shake it, it mixes up your color. So if you're just starting out with Lipsense, you want to make sure that it shook well, and every time you want to make sure it shook well so the color comes out. So this is kind of like a mauve, pink, I think. It's really pretty. So one thing is you want to go in the same direction on each layer, and in between you can fix it all up. So you want to take it out, wipe off the excess, and here we go. Okay, layer one, and going to fix up your house. You want to make sure it's dry to the touch. So you want to make sure it's dry to the touch before you add another layer. Layer two. Okay. So there's layer two. And then I already fixed my eyebrows. I'm going to use Bombay for blush. Okay. And still sticky. Oh yeah. So, and corner. Okay, now I'm gonna hit Cappuccino. layer 3. This is a nude. Sorry. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign 16. So this is where I post about beauty, fashion, and lifestyle every single week. Before we get started on this lip sense tutorial combo, very pretty, please hit the subscribe button, and please also don't forget to ring the bell. So let's jump right into it. Okay, sorry about that, guys. My dad was singing in the background. Okay, sorry guys about that. I put the cappuccino on it and I'm letting it dry before I put the gloss on. If you want to watch a funny video, this one is funny because it's totally blooper, but I'm going with it. So, your lips are not supposed to touch. I know. Okay, now it's dry. So I'm gonna put gloss on. Okay, so once the gloss on is on, I can't even talk right. Once the gloss is on, you can then rub your lips together. So I will show you. That's the perfect lip for any makeup look, I think. It's like my new favorite, especially for the holidays. If you're not looking for a bold red lip, which you can totally do, you can do this one. So I'm going to finish up here and come back with the end result for you guys. Hey guys, so I'm back with the end result, and this is what it looks like. I blotted the gloss off once it was sealed and put Sweet Pea gloss, and that was my very first purchase over a year ago with Synergens, and I've never stopped loving their makeup. It's long lasting, but I really like this lip color. So please give this video a thumbs up. Sorry there was like laughing and bloopers in it, but life happens. You just gotta roll with it. So please give this video a thumbs up or a like. Please also don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell before you leave, so that way you will know every time I post a new video every single time. First come, first serve. So thanks for watching and Merry Christmas.